This is a video I'm creating for this. This product is great. I like it. However, this part detach from its base. I came to make coffee and I couldn't even make it because this detach. This detach. When you pull it out, it comes off like this. And so this stay at the bottom. Now, how I use it, somebody asked me. The way it came with a base, and it came with 2 filters. Right there, 2 filters. The base, 2 filters, 1 and 2, and something to hold the filters in place. When you put this on, this is too short. The bar right there is too short. Right here. Okay? This is too short. This is too short. I'm showing you. This right there is too short. This take the space. And when you put it there like this, it's the gap in between. The big gap in between this and this. The nut. So the nut take the space, and the nut doesn't go further. If you put it here, it doesn't go further because the groove of the bar are stopped right here. So this is too long. And when you put it together, see the gap there? It says space too far away. And this is too short. This piece right here is too short. This piece right here is too short. So when you put it together here, it doesn't reach enough to hold it in place. It's your problem. I solve your problem. Now send me a replacement, or send me a bar, or send me a smaller knot, or send me one that has this larger. I just bought this product. I only use it 8 times. It can be, I didn't buy something to use it only 8 times. People are complaining about this is the worst coffee maker. I think it's good. It holds the coffee. And it does not, and it holds it for a long time. It holds the coffee hot for a long time. So please understand the problem. And I would appreciate it.
Starts to tighten and then won't secure it all and pulls out.